Enti majority that in parliament, Honorable Mahama Ayariga, on education minister, Hana Idrusu, any MP for na omu free a slim no, Omonya may score. Ghana for no, Abe class with them children say, hey, it's slim. A nipa homo bama, nipa homo moja omu ho, and a mocha cra, and a mo enjoy, and a drone delivery network no, muza see in Chomidi. Ya na monya adwene be man chire mu no akire wa adwen amame e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media mezo ase ni di mu obe like video no ada ma we subscribe button na be kelke notification icon no latest updates na ba chire wa adwen di amame e wo comment section so ba so no share for so nya bi a share and you know there was a time we brought video na me chire mu live at some of the areas in northern region oko ho no mu a chale ensuo kura ni Penyah ensuo no otut odese kan wo form na wagina na ensu abeginam kakra data no aba besa akwa no enu ni ensu amanfo no mo hono niema ye too difficult e wo hono ema wo mu. Now you know there was issue of zipline drone delivery network as no enkrase nkron ketenkete na chese hono no hospital kesere yi home base ano eho the drone supply moja ne ade the quiet e boa wo mu pa ntenu se wo kuruma unhu so mfa so e boa mu pa but this drone issue no ana majority that in parliament Mahama Ayariga honorable sorry jana na so kirem say eno yentwam na Ghana yentimi spend 170 million Ghana cedis every year just to supply blood and medicine and other things using drone yentwam meanwhile yentwam so yes spend 300 million to supply part and then the Ghana benye sky but drone abeji ni pan kwane de Ghana yentwam yenye skantua any many other conversations eno ana comedian so omo abe clash with Mahama Ayariga
tell bloggers omo free sirem o Penyah twomofo okrom ha omo bua onse ye ka se sirem o hia o pa me se sirem especially Mahama Ayariga krom obitimi nante 4 hours 7 hours
okon
eba market no abeton mako ni ne market kiti bi
7 hours say osimu 6 1 o'clock and I fancy 2 o'clock say na dey answer
enti na market kira o say tie economy no e was here running no based on steps Kumasi for economy is different from Accra economy. And now Kumasi baby I say free dey na different. E prati di e wa haya.
Yeah chire ya.
Ninchen e market ben. Central
market e wa si ho.
Kolebu eni ho. Enye ho na tudu ni mane ayi mu hihye. Okọ takra dia kotokra ba ni ho.
Yeah.
Cities akese no. Hwe market nti maame no ono ba ono hwe ba bi ote. E ka no kwe ye de no ko ho. Ofri meme ho awia so ne edidwa ewia bochran ne na mo kwekwe ko sire market na ko hwe so mo wo market a ya hye didi ayi
ye ni obetima ka chem say uko sirima ye ni roof dia roof ya e bi e o some box be mutimi.
I am daring esiremu nipa bi obenya video say on send video mfanto comment section on kan kire me say esiremu ye o market a e standard.
Inye standard.
Say
ya bushes ya mom.
Apata. Ye friend apata. Apata na ma no bobo. Na wabo ayi oto ayi zinc. Two packet na one packet na
o boss. Ti say nansi a ukọ atonsu die ya yes market kama.
Mi si siremu e bi ni wo. Awia so na ye ma me no moton ne ma wo ho. Enti na Mahama Ayariga no say drone service no mu twema me say. E na me ka say se ye fa ne se MPB wo edum. Eni ni party Bantima. no na ko parliament ni nkrofo na asoma no so nko ye ne beboa no gi ben no ne constituency ni nyina constituency ni nyina no ohia drone na wo Mahama Ayariga wo obi be nanti be say 6 hours 7 hours ansa na wa ba chip compound se ba antima ni no ka say drone hu hia no kwa Delta poli won so si drone hu hia akuafo no mo ba antima me pato ye do body ho
baby
ayi asukwa ha ye do banche Ishaye so wan hu bi da enti sa MPs no o ma kwotena parliament say for instance ye ka fertilizer se mu a na Ishaye so MPs so say fertilizer kra ye hia o Mahama Ayariga so be kwa kontem say ampa ye hia fertilizer me pato Ishaye so MP ha onu na nkrofo ndo body o nkrofo ndo banche nti owo sa o so contribute to ne be boa ne nkrofo so what you say enema ne nhyehyɛ ni bi wɔ hɔ a esremufo MPs ɛna sometimes ɛyɛ meya Eastern corridor fititititi yenye nwie yo aban we di ahye ne budget mu se oba ba express road esa di aka ayi dualization no mu ye no ho express road esremufo bloggers ti internet so na omo ko sat for bloggers no en na omo didi nsɛmhunu ɛna asantefo MPs ɛna omo mpe asante region putu kosirem ekwan be na connect from south to esrem state a ɛda hɔ ti se ye benya no ɛka aban budget ho se ye benya no ti se express road
o se ukwa at least o ma ye kwan bi akra
ekwan be
o bi o for fe so kwa o ko techima
dualization
enye dualization ba se ja
na ha ye dualization no yes the express be come ho o ye blogger o ye MP Mahama Ayariga ni nkrofo esremufo no don kokos MPs ene otifo no mo ye dualization an se ni ayi northern bloggers no Asante region ni south for no prese ye bibi wa ha wo de wako voter region
what the
NDC strong wo de ko so be hunu kwan papa you ho free wo voter region kuro na aka ni nyina sebi ope mpuntu a ye betimi dia compare constituency bi Asante region ha wonya me na me ka me kire wo
se ebia efo bi ti se ewura mutaka the constituency aso ase ya tie ho nyina with effort
constituency bi ni voter region na so no kwan papa no constituency oti region no constituency no for constituency bia ni obetimi aka say no constituency wanya kwan
constituency ba kokore no
single 99% of the constituencies oma kotal afa ho ye ni etwam street ako connect
because main road no
town roads problems e gu ho no ba esremufo bloggers nka ho asem esremufo MPs ba parliament om nka ho asem no ma be dwane south for no nenso meso de na minimum parliament ni say ya soma wo se ko represent o constituency
ti ne ha
nja identity na wo kwa kwaje amanfo twa ogbo ehe so si twa ogbo ehe ye twa duro no mo wo si ye o ho no mo Helen to so kitekrati MP oni kra no wo be say 15 islands e won the constituency or assistant for correction on that islands nkwana nsem ya nkwala 11 na omakwaku 16 na omakwaku nsusu island pa the constituency island bi wo ha obetimi atena nsusu 3 hours 4 hours ansa na wakoduru ho
se wo san ko
na wo yesi ye good draw na wo si ye ye bo si ye good draw do togbo ya wo ma me pedimu wo ti wo si ye good draw no
ebusia wo de my friends na nsema
Debi ya raw se mo debi
me ho de me nko ho da ti wanza
na se me firi ho
na me ka say
na me city
o ka che me say ye nya constituency ba ko a omo town rules ya ndi se bia bantima ofurukrom subin insiaye so
not even Okudia to abra for constituency enye Okudia vote MPs no de bokese ba agbaja constituency sebi achichi de kura na mkwani bi so benya accident. I am telling you. Some microphone mu parliament. Then I say they are championing some chobo here. Ensure any constituency no. O ma setena mfa.
Entirely.
What you say?
Wow.
Mfa. Hwe metimi aka si susu dia say. O jai Ashanti region hanum say. They say ahaya square.
Yeah.
99% of microphone mu asokwa hanum say can buy omomba diapers pampers no.
Oh, possibly.
What you say? O metimi ato amomba. In this as kwa MP ono ko parliament ni ye ka pampers asema obedwene ho mienu na pampers de se nkwala betima pampers de at least nipa betima atonai ba o free no hwan ho a o so obedwene ho se o constituency no so mo challenge ni ndi ma mendwe ho what you say na Jessica ye de to pampers pad ama nkwala amoma abo moto ade ba kwa MP for no nimu a omo eheda ho ne se ebra na dwa TikTok so ye ni secondary school nkwala ni wo so
sure
secondary school akwala bia uyi secondary school nkwala 10 siwa emu 8 ekuta smartphones
yeah sure
na za nipa no kita smartphone person ka kire me so dimi to pad mbono to ede na person ka kire nipa dodo sen na betimi aka se ukọ me se ukọ one day ko sire ubesu market day say market day ubesu amama mefo ni bi
say
hwe nkwanta south to one village bi efro ho ahyiabre kichebi ukita motor abe say 45 minutes motor say o cost speed pa 45 minutes ye ma amenu bi nanti free ho eba nkwanta market esa nanti kofie
to wasa enu motor na 45 minutes
motor na amika kire say
say wonanti dia
wonanti nti omo soro ahomache 5 omo bedru nkwanta be say 9 no ma didwa wie enye say the papa bi o by the time so sometimes when I go I'll get some videos and then when I'm speaking about this our MPs sometimes the way na me gino concern people don't understand. They say these people omo contribution omo be do parliament they join their party and they join the choboya and form constituency no
wow
this is the make akwan ho asem say aban eba be ye ayi ye kan say express route Kumasi express route uye MP na wo north uye MP na fruity uye MP na free voter na wo champion sa agenda we na sezubachi control letter na wo sa sezubachi MP o mania u kro mo ekwan an capture budget na an capture kwan papa bio dualization na obemoma wie na nka mpo express ni sika kakra kra be ko ho anase ye be dwin say okay ye be express no ye mfa nka plan e bia ye no compulsory 10 years anase 15 years development plan nti aban bia ba untouchable munji hu sika mfa to wo what you say na ye nwie dualization no na dualization no ye kakraka we obi anka senti no ochi sa express road no
but say on say
but ba bia wonni single road kra efa ho wonni single road we MP because how buy na also nti ye say be express road ba bia ye obi mpe no
mami no mi na bia abanu nso hu ni say Ashanti region this year yem so ya shomani monyam kakra when it come to vote any side man so ana say omanya some vote kakra bi wo ho no so ugene say
o ka say make say nyatwom
sound say
it is hypocrite on behalf of the government
on say ti ye ja make say ni say on say create market hwe en monyam sha endi sabande shey ansana Ibrahim Mahama if you first Mahama na make yo sisi oba wo the express road say ba eno che say wo do sunku bi the ma
me say a hypocrisy on behalf of the government
and now two ekwa we nso dey wonu say the busiest road I work country mu no Accra Kumasi and say they all the other eastern region other western for so we kaka ho so abani hu ni say okay ma menye we no na other omo be ba nso omo be di mase omo be di machi nso no omo nso emto so nye di aka na say I think I don't so bad idea
I mean case Mpuntio say ye no on voter NDC for did voter no ti no for atemu more than aban bia organa ha say wonko ade ba kwa affect voter region northern region no ti region is say omo ni powerful media stations
ebi ho
de wan
ebi ho
o de utrim but radio station powerful one back who
say o the two ones one media houses
EIB network
more network be no
and I say chere me how powerful how influential it is ebetima carry the content than say bibia si okumase ni ye page agenda no oya bufu problem say gu ho no say political balance na dey calculation na I am telling you Ashanti and Greater Accra Western they've had better opportunities than us. Mexico voter region. NDC stronghold na ye kan wan se de bia NDC stronghold ko ho na ko hwe. Ko na ko hwe. Minimum ntia e na me kan say Say more powerful media hwe Kumasi. Kumasi anu say. Me radio stations akese wa very powerful. Nti BBC ya ke ni apagya kuha. Hwe Greater Accra. BBC ya ke ni apagya no kuha. When was the last time I watched a news item? Ube share news item from who? From OT, from Tamalia, Government Commission, NGOs, Assembly. What is it? Ubi akwa ye reports Haiti crisis bi asemu wo ho. Ajo man we mu nyina te say aha ye timi ko fagalam say near dia be ye discussion bi 1 week 2 weeks na ginam. Asensu bu ache letter we ba 2 weeks na ginam. Wa hu bi da. Nya tomo fon kwa. Also a ceremony blogger dina social media so and I ya santiri di
and conflict by carry that story.
Obeti din na ye kum ye ho. Ye ba bi e free no. Obeti say ye discussion about us. Na ye kum ye ho. There's no better adebia south for media no be sum from the northern region. Is it that ye kum ye ho and as a bank commission bi kese o. Bi kese this is Tamale interchange. You go hospital bi, you demonstration bi, any de ebeba. Te se kwanda issue. O yen kwanda issue a o what kwanda dinda.
Matida.
What in say?
O matisa mu MP. Matisa mu.
Enema ni bi wo ho a, enema ni bi wo ho.
Okay.
On more serious notes. Ebi a me de besi na wo asem bi se bi a we bisa no. Parliament asetena. Parliament asetena no. Se okọ na se empo o party na okosoma ma wa manfo no hunu se enema bi wo kwa
eno na okasa afem na mekai prior to election tama yekoto aba no on se na parliament baji bibia tum amma yewla asedu nketia ekoi ma she bibia se saadi we die enya de se baji tum but it work
ena
enti se okasa enyuntum na nipa na wo vehicle na wo tem na do ba sa kurim no se vehicle no se ye kwa wouldn't guys would jump before a car.
Yeah, ye will feel. Ye see a nyansa near who say. Me de be ameka. MP be one MP and a bumper water.
How many times have been when Benny one Benny?
What you say? One who say MP in the bass and bag of couscous.
I made sure say, Sango for how many times?
Sometimes over MP be Parliament to grow in you, or in your Jumano anemia obwa. No single MP ne beti makachire me ama mate ase ene wo se wa bedi MP ni na bra bo ate aba form dance onya ye
hey ebi mu sofa
nobody
I'm telling you you say ebi mu sofa
me ma 1000 cedis me ba
beti makachire
tobo me ba say me ma 500 cedis and 1000 so the be there also me the be turn tos wa turn tos ni wa kodwa so me nu miensa oboka guburu Mpacho misama o sikase fakodidwa obesa kotontos
mbia me nkontos ba me kwat fufuru
enti adenti na wo ko parliament emunye na 4 years beso wasa ba asa be hwie sikase yento abanfama you see there are some technicalities advantageous technicalities bi wo mara shebe dwama MP4 nan kan kire
okay
one say nan say mu o market ye ho ase ba ye so mo 15,000 ama me kra me dey guys na 15,000 there me so me mu yedru because MPD 15 na me so ye me dey alice me ye na 15 afie mu ya din na Ghana for criticize am na mo kra say am hwehwe ni nyina za na mo afie do abeka say ayi majority leaders you and I know very well that our salary is not more is not less than or say our salary is not 15,000 we all know what we receive in this house share DC oji clothing allowance
yeah
omo digi allowance
the payment allowance
but just any money no maka kire na de ne nya okwaye den ade no 4 years aso honorable enye wako waboka wa wo hwe uzika ode be campaign ene niema wa waboka me pacho se okote woka na so kodiska why are they going okoso mo mai onkwa na wo ho na okoso mo mai onkwa na wo free constituency wa se bi se bi nu nyanza ana onkwa na wo school ballot paper no onkwa na wo da so waboka mo bi nkwe denti na chinchina atwa mo pesa omosa ko bi politics in Ghana ama politicians ama nkrofobia abrabosi politics ama nkrofobia abrabosi
me so minim MP phobia omoko parliament omba bonten no omutin afi be 4 years no it's not easy
easy sister
life no tutu bad
life tutu bad sister
serious
dodo say
me so minim bi
dodo say
me so minim bi
hwe okọ me
Minimum bi a eni ya.
Mami nka se menjiro okọ me kwa mami nka se menjiro oti MPs ade ba ko mo da excuse aboy timu pa Akufo-Addo time almost in your Mahama na ewo in your NDC na ewo nti omo nya di what be that the last 8 years what is it Harry Nedrusu so say in your Akufo-Addo in your Mahama na ewo nti onya development in Kofi
Oh minti
Muntaka what is that
product no kwa de ni pen so kwa na Akufo-Addo be so
enti MP na bon wa bon wa start is omo mugumi ho say omo bon what be that what is say Okuja to Black Sam George is say now by ni wonti mame one evidence e kire say ba okoye ho a omu slogan no the Mahama by sebi toilet prefect kra who is sports minister from maka nyina na yi
say appointment you be any appointment we no nya ya wese
o modern bon so ani
there be
coach here ni selection or share best players no there selection
say any crowd
yes players 22 best players ni na ebo enti na player bi wo team ni akoto papa ba na wa bebo na ba ko bench what you say wa wo team dada no papa no numu bo a ye be kwa akoto na ba
mate
ni wa bebo na wo ti bench unumu bo appointment no mama no sebi omo de amanyansa for no mo body mbo so ani enti na ebi mako 16 years nso John Dimelo aba 1 year obeji appointment o body mbo so ani
ono e promise anu
oye hwan san
promising san
yeah the devil sans the be say na mo kan na isa
mate yenwie
say na mo kan na isa the titi ni date ani say problems ya yesu wo ho wa ha Ashanti South ha no say okọ South no eye microphone kitikiti adiwe kitikiti problem yesu ke no for problem akọ tisi kruwe mo beti ma discuss na 6 months ko Bagben constituency problem akọ speaker of parliament problem akọ ye beti ma discuss na 9 months Mahama Ayariga yi bokonto kwa ni free wo no constituency problem akọ tisi kruwe mo
say enye ono nkwan beti ma adende kakrakra inpo be yi bi on be ni speaker ohwe contribution wa ye parliament in constituency at least ofu so be abeshina na ono so making impact
any mesro wadaroma any ahwefa mo hwe wadaroma se contribution omode bo omode hwe some contribution of parliament
e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.